Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and as the mystery of the new HP Smart App actually appears on Windows 10 and Windows 11 systems at random, well, it seems that Microsoft actually came back investigating the issue. They do say, yes, it happens, and that some machines are impacted. Now, if you don't have a Microsoft Store because of maybe you uninstalled it for some reason, that doesn't impact you because it does come from the Microsoft Store. And the reason behind it, as Microsoft was looking at it, is that I have not seen that happen on my system, but they do acknowledge that printers, because of a Windows bug, are being renamed. And if you look at your devices tab in Windows 10 or Windows 11, you might notice that the name of your printer is changed to an HP M101 M106. And this is something that affects apparently a certain number of people where their printers have been simply renamed to an HP LaserJet. Now, apparently it doesn't impact at all the printing. You can still print and all of that. It should work. It's just the name that has changed for some reason. And because of that, and because now the system thinks there's an HP device, what happens is that your Microsoft Store wants to install the HP Smart App. So basically, that's what pretty much happens, apparently. So the app could be due to the fact that the system thinks that some HP printer is now present on there. So it's a bug. It's a bug that affects Windows 10 and Windows 11, and Microsoft is investigating the issue and will, of course, issue a fix when they can to prevent this from happening. Yesterday, I was asking a lot of people about the different apps that the HP Smart App that you guys might have seen. If you install it, does it come back? In my case, it didn't come back on both of my machines, but it actually, some of you said that it came back a few times, but that recently now it didn't. So maybe they changed something or fixed it or just halted the release of the HP Smart App in some cases. So an interesting weird bug in Windows 10 and 11, renaming of printers to HP, and HP Smart App installing automatically. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.